Hey everybody, we're basically doing a pantry meal today. You can use canned hamburger, your home canned, or the Keystone or whatever kind you have, or ground turkey, whatever you like. So starting out with hamburger, we're going to be using boxed macaroni and cheese and green olives, and we'll season this with some Lowry seasoned salt and pepper. And so yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna start out by cooking this burger. So if you're new to the channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. We do a little news, canning, dehydrating, food storage, cooking with your food storage, pantry meals, pantry hauls, all kinds of stuff. So anyways, I will be back after I have browned this hamburger and drain it, and then we'll season it up. I'm going to put it in a bowl and cook my macaroni and cheese in the same pot. You would use 2 boxes for 1 pound of hamburger. I'm going to make half a batch, so I'm using half of this hamburger and 1 box of macaroni and cheese, and then I'm going to slice up some green olives. Okay, I took some out. I'm just trying to conserve my meat. So I'm adding some Lowry seasoned salt. You can add garlic. I'm betting my mom added garlic too. This is something we ate growing up. It's my stepdad's creation. We liked it really well. And I will cool that off and put it in a baggie and put it in the freezer. Ow. And it'll be ready for another concoction. So if you have sliced green olives, you can use those. I have these, so I'm going to slice some up. I'm going to put this in a bowl. I'll put it on the plate I'll eat off of. And then I'm going to make my macaroni and cheese. Hopefully you can't hear the oven. I'm making doggy treats, pumpkin doggy treats. I have 2 dogs with stomach issues. I think it's the dog food, so I'm going to start making their dog food, and I've been giving them some pumpkin, and I'm making the pumpkin doggy treats, which is also on the channel. So I'll be back after I make the macaroni and cheese. Just follow the instructions on the box. Okay, mac is ready. I'm going to add that meat back. Stir that in. We have our green olives, and you can just use as many of those as you like, or a whole can or whatever. And that's it. Dinner is ready. See, and that's pretty meaty. It's about 2/3 of a pound of meat. Half or so. Half a pound. A little more. So there it is. I guess I'll get a tasting fork. Give this a bite, and the olives just add a nice tang. And it's hot. So there it is. It's yummy. It's something different to do with your mac and cheese. You can use 2 boxes, really stretch it out for a family so it's economical. And like I said, you can use your home canned hamburger, your store-bought canned hamburger. I've never tried it with, you know, the beef in the can. Ground turkey. I've never tried it with ground pork. But I'm sure any ground meat would be good. So, yeah, that's tonight's Prepper Pantry meal because I'm tired. And here's my first batch of pumpkin doggy treats for the dogs. So I got to roll out some more, pop them in the oven, and I'm going to eat dinner. So please like, comment, and subscribe. If you're a comer backer, please like and comment. It helps me out so much. And you all stay safe, you stay healthy. Oh, and the breaking news, of course, this happened yesterday. 15-0 vote by the CDC to add the beer virus medicine to children's required vaccinations for school. So, don't know how you all feel about that, but I do know 3 teenagers died this week for no apparent reason of heart attacks. One was a football player, one was in the choir, and one was a 13-year-old. So I don't know about you, but I've never known people of that age and in these numbers dying of heart attacks. So anyways, there is that. So, you know, you might want to decide what you may have to do in the future, because I certainly wouldn't give it to my child. Thank God I don't have children in school these days. So anyways, you all take care, and I will see you in the next video.